Don't do that.
Don't take them all apart. I mean, they're all yours.
Yep. All the socks.
Why did you just give me socks?
Isn't that what you wanted?
I think the question would be, why'd you just give me men's socks?
I thought you said, hey, give me a bunch of men's socks and a couple things from the bathroom. It's got any good songs on it?
Better give Dad a big ol' hug for those too.
What'd you get? What'd you get? Tell everybody what you got.
Teddy bear tickets.
Oh, good. I can't wait to go to that. Happy birthday, you little rascal. Did we trick you?
What?
Did we trick you? Are you just in shock?
Are you so happy?